Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with devices awake and on the same Wi-Fi. This matters because casting uses the local network to connect. Open Google Home on your iPhone and let it scan. Grant permissions when prompted so it can find devices. Once the app sees your Chromecast, tap to begin setup and follow on-screen prompts to name the device and join your Wi-Fi. Make sure the TV input is set to the Chromecast HDMI so you can see the device's codes and confirmation messages. Now you'll pair the iPhone with Chromecast through Google Home. Enter the verification code shown on the TV to confirm ownership and avoid accidental connections. After pairing, choose the same Wi-Fi network and input the password so both devices share a network route. This is why earlier network confirmation was crucial. If the app suggests a firmware update, install it. Updates fix bugs and improve compatibility. Once configured, test with a quick cast from a supported app to verify the stream start. To cast, open a compatible app and tap the cast icon or mirror your screen using Google Home. This sends media from your iPhone to the TV. You control playback and volume directly from your phone, and you can stop casting anytime in the app or Google Home. If the connection fails, restart the router first, then the Chromecast and your iPhone. Make sure both devices use the same Wi-Fi band. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable VPNs or low-power Wi-Fi modes that block local device discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.